Hey everyone, welcome back to the Altenew YouTube channel. This is Maryám Pérez and I am super excited to be back with a new video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be working with a beautiful Celebrate collection. This new collection was a special collaboration between Altenew and Pinkfresh Studio, and it was created to help you celebrate and document the important moments in your life. For my layout today, I'm going to be working with two papers from the 12 by 12 paper pack, and the ones I choose are called Life, which is the one on the right, and then Always, which is the one on the left. So out of camera, I went ahead and fussy cut this beautiful painted floral wreath using my fine tip scissors. I didn't show the process here though because I've shared this technique before several times in previous videos. So if you want to get a more in-depth explanation, you can go back and watch some of my other videos. But basically what I did was to cut around the entire wreath, leaving a small white border all the way around, and then also fussy cut the center of the wreath so I could have that space open to add my photo later. Now I'm going to cut the barcode or random strip off of the paper with my paper trimmer. And then I'm going to add some foam adhesive on the back of the floral wreath. This step is totally optional, but personally, I like to create layouts with lots of texture and dimension. So adding little foam squares in the back is a great way to get this sort of 3D feel on the page. Once I have added all the foam squares that I need, I'm going to peel off the backing paper of them and then adhere the wreath to the background paper. Okay, now I'm going to move on to what I like to call the second part of the process, which is adding embellishments to the page. So what I'm doing here is I'm looking through all the pieces from the Ephemera pack and seeing which ones I would like to use and separate these from the rest of the other pieces. And at the same time, I'm also trying to figure out where I want to put them. So while I was doing this, I decided that I wanted to add some layers behind my photo. So I grabbed the 6x6 paper pack and cut a piece of paper slightly bigger than my photo and added it to the back, and then also added some vellum paper to give even more interest to it. Continuing with the process, I adhere my photo and journaling to the page using some foam adhesive again and also some double-sided tape. Then for the title, I used the word love, which is one of the pieces from the Ephemera pack, and glued it directly to my photo. Next, I grabbed my Altenew Sequins, and here on the screen you see that I have 3 bottles, but I ended up using only 2 of them, which are Satin White and Antique Gold. To glue the sequins in place, I used Glossy Accents, which is a liquid adhesive, and also used my craft tweezers to make the job much easier and I would say faster as well. Following up, I will add some of the ephemera pieces I selected before and also some enamel dots and wood veneers to finish up the layout. And that is gonna be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to check out my post over at the Altenew Mixed Media vlog to learn more about my project and to see more photos. Also be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring that little bell so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!